Good afternoon, guys. We just finished our afternoon pump, and this is after his birthday. So, let's do a pump and dump. Wait lang. I need to pee. I used the Mom Cozy V2 Pro, and I connected them to the iMoney Pro cups. Wait lang. Grabe, naiihit na talaga ako, guys. Anyway, we're back. Sorry, guys. This is our afternoon pump. So, I think this is 6 ounces, and this is 5 ounces. So, we got 11 ounces. And I'll just put this in a water bottle kasi I had too many gin and tonic last night. And wait, remove natin. Diba guys, we're here at Mount Sabrina. Room view. I'll just put the milk here. This is a pump and dump. Ooh. Grabe guys, sobrang bigat na ni Koa. Parang lalagnatin ako ngayon. Kasi, imagine, I think 12 kilos na si Koa. And whole day, halos whole day namin siya karga. Grabe. Saan ang katawan ko? Parang nung nag-Hong Kong kami guys. As in, parang everyday masakit katawan namin ni Yaya. Sana kasha. Oopsies. Perfect. Parang buko juice lang guys. So, oh my God. Nakakaloka. Ba't naman ganon? Tingnan nyo guys. Ano nangyari? Shoot! Oh my God. Anyway, this is our view for today. And this is our afternoon pump. My fresh from the farm milk. Yun lang guys. I need to clean up. So I think that's 11 or 12 ounces for our afternoon.